Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Hania. It's Hania here. In today's video, we are going to do the question answers of the chapter Inside Our Earth. So now let's get started. Exercises. Question number 1. Answer the following questions. First, what are the three layers of the earth? Answer. The three layers of the earth are crust, mantle and core. Question number 2. What is a rock? Rock is any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust. They can be of different color, size and texture. Third, name three types of rocks. Answer: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Fourth, how are extrusive and intrusive rocks formed? Answer: the molten lava comes out of volcanoes, reaches the Earth's surface and cools down rapidly to become a solid piece of rock. This is how extrusive rocks are formed. For example, basalt. When the molten lava solidifies deep inside the Earth's crust, the rocks so formed are called intrusive rocks. For example, granite. Fifth, what do you mean by a rock cycle? Answer: a cyclic manner is followed in transformation of one type of rock to another type under certain conditions. This process of transformation of rock from one to another is called the rock cycle. When the molten magma cools down and solidifies, it forms igneous rocks. These rocks are broken down into small particles that are transported and deposited to form sedimentary rocks. When the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to high heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. The metamorphic rocks that are still under great heat and pressure, they melt down to form molten magma. This molten magma cools down again and solidifies to form igneous rocks. Sixth, what are the uses of rocks? Answer: rocks are useful for various purposes. First, it helps in making roads. Second, it is used in the construction of houses and buildings. Third, small stones are used by children in different types of games. Fourth, they are used in fertilizers. Seventh, what are metamorphic rocks? Answer: these are the rocks that are formed when the igneous and sedimentary rocks change their form under the following two circumstances, which are great heat and pressure. Question 2. Tick the correct answer. First, the rock which is made up of molten magma is A. igneous, B. sedimentary, C. metamorphic. Answer: A. igneous. Second, the innermost layer of the earth is A. crust, B. core, C. mantle. Answer: B. core. Third, gold, petroleum and coal are example of. Answer: A. rocks, B. minerals, C. fossils. Answer: B. minerals. Fourth, rocks which contain fossils are A. sedimentary rocks, B. metamorphic rocks, C. igneous rocks. Answer: A. sedimentary rocks. Fifth, the thinnest layer of the earth is A. crust, B. mantle, C. core. Answer: A. crust. Question 6. Match the following. First, core will be matched with E. innermost layer. Second, minerals will be matched up with D. has definite chemical composition. Third, rocks will be matched with used for roads and buildings. Fourth, clay will be matched with F. changes into slate. And fifth, sial will be matched to C. made of silicon and alumina. Question 4. Give reasons. First, we cannot go to the center of the earth. Answer: to reach the center of the earth, one will have to dig a hole 6,000 km deep on the ocean floor. This is quite impossible and therefore we cannot go to the center of the earth. Second, sedimentary rocks are formed from sediments. Answer: rocks break down into small fragments known as sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks known as sedimentary rocks. Third, limestone is changed into marble. Answer: limestone is changed into marble because igneous and sedimentary rocks change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. This video ends here. If this video was useful to you, then don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.